5 mysterious places that defy science. Our planet Earth teems with life in a dazzling array of forms, yet beyond the bustle of rainforests and the silent depths of the oceans, there exist places that seem to operate outside the bounds of our understanding. Places that confound our scientific knowledge and leave us questioning the very nature of the world around us. Join me now as we journey to 5 such locations scattered across the globe, each more baffling and awe-inspiring than the last. Hold on to your seats, dear viewers, for the final destination promises to be the most astonishing of all. Our journey begins in the heart of the Karakum Desert, Turkmenistan. Here, amidst a landscape of endless sand and wind-sculpted dunes, lies a site that seems to have been plucked straight from the pages of a fantastical tale. A colossal crater, ablaze with an inferno that has raged ceaselessly for nearly half a century. This is the Darvaza gas crater, more ominously known as the Door to Hell. In 1971, Soviet geologists, searching for natural gas reserves, inadvertently punctured a cavern filled with the volatile substance. Fearing the release of poisonous methane gas, they decided to ignite it, believing it would burn off within days. Little did they know they had unwittingly unleashed a fiery spectacle that would continue to captivate and confound for decades to come. The crater, a gaping maw in the Earth's crust, blazes day and night, casting an eerie orange glow across the desolate landscape. Its roar, a testament to the raw power that burns beneath, can be heard from miles away. Scientists, drawn by the sheer strangeness of the phenomenon, have been unable to determine exactly how gas lies beneath the surface, or more intriguingly, how long the inferno will continue to burn. For now, the Door to Hell remains a fiery testament to the unpredictable forces that shape our planet. We travel now from the fiery heart of Turkmenistan to the sun-baked lands of Tanzania, where a lake of an altogether different yet equally enigmatic nature awaits. Lake Natron, shimmering like a mirage beneath the intense African sun, seems at first glance to be a serene oasis within this arid landscape. Its placid waters, however, hold a secret, a deadly secret that has earned this lake the chilling moniker, the Stone Maker. The lake's waters possess an extraordinarily high alkaline content, a result of sodium carbonate and other minerals spewing from the nearby Olduino Lengai volcano. This caustic cocktail, lethal to many creatures, creates an environment more akin to liquid lye than fresh water. Animals, unfortunate enough to stray into the lake's waters, meet a bizarre and gruesome end. The high alkaline levels react with the proteins in their bodies, essentially petrifying them, turning their flesh to stone. The lake's shores stand as a macabre testament to its deadly power, littered with the calcified carcasses of birds and bats, preserved in death as if frozen in time. Lake Natron stands as a stark reminder that beauty and danger are often intertwined in the natural world. Chapter 3. The Sailing Stones of Death Valley. Our next destination takes us to a land of extremes, Death Valley National Park in California, a place of scorching temperatures, vast salt flats, and towering sand dunes. Death Valley is a landscape seemingly sculpted by the very hand of time. It is here, on the parched surface of Racetrack Playa, that we encounter a mystery that has puzzled scientists and park visitors alike for generations: the enigmatic sailing stones. Scattered across the dry lake bed like forgotten relics of a bygone era lie hundreds of rocks ranging in size from pebbles to boulders weighing hundreds of pounds. These rocks, it seems, are not content to simply rest upon the earth. They move, seemingly of their own volition, leaving behind long, meandering trails etched into the hard-baked clay. The trails, some stretching for hundreds of feet, tell a silent story of movement, yet no one has ever witnessed the stones in motion. For years, theories abounded, ranging from gravitational anomalies to mischievous pranksters. The most plausible explanation, however, seems to lie in a unique combination of natural forces. Scientists believe that a rare confluence of rain, wind and ice conspire to create the perfect conditions for the stones to move. Thin sheets of ice forming on the playa's surface after rare rainfalls are then driven by strong winds pushing the rocks before them. Chapter 4. The Blood Falls. Our quest for the unusual now leads us to the most remote and unforgiving continent on Earth, Antarctica. Here, amidst the towering glaciers and icy plains, lies a spectacle that seems to defy the very laws of nature, a waterfall that bleeds. Nestled within the McMurdo Dry Valleys, a region starkly beautiful in its desolation, lies Taylor Glacier. From its snout, cascading down a pristine white wall of ice, flows a crimson torrent, staining the glacier a macabre shade of red, like a wound upon the frozen landscape. This is Blood Falls, a phenomenon as visually arresting as it is scientifically baffling. The source of the blood-red hue lies not in the realm of the supernatural, but rather in the chemical makeup of the water itself. The falls originate from a subglacial lake sealed beneath the ice for millennia. This lake, high in iron and salinity, is home to a unique ecosystem of microbial life, thriving in an environment devoid of sunlight and oxygen. As the water from this subterranean lake seeps through a fissure in the glacier, it reacts with the oxygen in the air, causing the iron to oxidize, essentially rusting and staining the water a deep blood red. Chapter 5: The Boiling River. Our final destination takes us deep into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a place teeming with life in its most vibrant and diverse forms. It is here, amidst the cacophony of the jungle, that we find a river unlike any other. A river that seems to boil with an inner fire. Hidden within a remote corner of the Peruvian Amazon, the Xanay-Timpixca River, known locally as the Boiling River, flows hot and furious through the dense rainforest. Its waters heated to an astonishing temperature, steam and bubble, a scalding torrent capable of inflicting severe burns. Legends abound amongst the indigenous tribes of a serpent god, Yakumama, who is said to birth hot and cold water, and whose fiery breath gives the river its scalding temperatures. While scientists have yet to fully unravel the enigma of the Boiling River, the most likely explanation lies deep beneath the Earth's surface. Geothermal activity, likely linked to a fault line running beneath the Amazon basin, is thought to heat the water as it flows through subterranean passages. The exact mechanism, however, remains a mystery, shrouded in the dense jungle and the mists rising from the river's scalding surface. Outro: 5 mysterious places that defy science, and so our journey through these 5 extraordinary locations draws to a close. We have witnessed the untamed power of nature, its capacity to both astound and terrify. From the fiery depths of the door to hell to the scalding waters of the Boiling River, these places serve as a stark reminder that our planet is full of mysteries, waiting to be unraveled. As we continue to explore and understand the world around us, we must do so with a sense of wonder and respect for the forces that have shaped it. For it is in these enigmatic corners of our planet that we truly come face to face with the awe-inspiring power and beauty of the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring.